button.
Yeah, come on, push a button.
It's a goddamn button.
Push a goddamn button.
You heard what she said.
Hey YouTube, today I'm here to tell you how to install a bracket, a luggage bracket to your Harley Davidson Road Glide. This is my 2025 Mystic Shift Road Glide. The first thing you want to do is see this right here. These come on the bike just like that, right? Easy. First thing you do is you take that off. It's easy. Use your fingers. You take that off, right? On both sides, right? Then you open your luggage rack. This is the 2025 Mystic Shift. You open it up. This right here on the other side, as you see, right? They untwist. So take off your luggage rack. Take off your luggage rack, and when you take it off, it looks like this. So then, see this part here? This part, as long as you know which one's the front, this is the front, this is the back. And I bought this on Amazon, and as you can see, somebody already done the work for me, right? And then, so I'm gonna place this. Let's see. Since this is the passenger. I mean, this is the driver. I mean, well, passenger driver. Even though I'm thinking of a car, but basically this is on the left side. This is on the right side. So where's my other one at? Just had it. Did I put it back in here? Yeah, there we go. Here's my second one. All right, get that in focus. So the first thing you do is, right, drop it in, just like that. See how that fits, right? Remember, mine already came, done. Mine's already done, I don't gotta screw nothing. And then, what you do is, get these little screws, put these little bolts in here. I'm doing it one-handed, so excuse me. And then you basically screw it in. All right, so I'm gonna screw this in. I'm gonna get back to you. All right, YouTube, I screwed it in. All you have to mess with is just these two bolts right here, right here. You do not have to mess with this one. And as you can see, firmly on there. Okay, I already done that one. So now, I'm gonna put my luggage rack back on there. They already gave me a tool to already, you know, tighten it up if I want to. Just a little bit. I ain't gonna do it too tight. This is a brand new bike. I ain't trying to mess it up. Don't mess up my paint. All right, just a little bit more tighter. That's about enough. All right. As you can see, the mounting bracket is on there. All right, once you mount it on, you have no use for this, so it's up to y'all want to throw this away or not. But if y'all want them, I'll give it to you for free. You know, just let me know if y'all need them. I'm gonna throw them away. If y'all need them, I'll keep them. Anyway, that's how you mount it. And on the other side, you basically do the same thing. Just drop it in the hole. Take the luggage rack off, and there you go. And then screw it in using these screws right here. There you go. 5-minute job. Now, it's funny because Harley Davidson and all these other places, they want to charge you. Charge you like $200. And then that's just to buy the things. Amazon, $50. $50. For these two in a pair. Harley Davidson, $200. And then that's $200 just for this. And then $200 to install it when it's a 5-minute job. 5 minutes. Can you dig it, sucker? 5 minutes. Makes no sense. Look at that, YouTube. 15-minute job. Easy peasy. the dealership won't charge you $200 for this stuff. It makes no sense. It's so simple. So simple. And this is why you really got DIY. Do it yourself. Save you some money. Become a mechanic. On the easy stuff. But anyway, it's not hard to do. You can do it yourself. I did it. You can do it. Save yourself $200 by going on Amazon and going on a link. The link will be in the description. The link will be in the description below. And it's $50, $60, whatever it was. I think it's like 75, something like that. But anyway, it's cheaper than the dealership, as everything else is. Y'all take care.